Hey everyone, Patrick and Julie here.
Let's watch some videos. Wonderful.
That's great.
Yeah, a very nice way to organize the upper cabinet.
Yeah, especially above the fridge. So that's a really hard area to organize. The only thing I didn't like about his solution is I don't think you could move those around because it looks like he drilled in the holes.
Ah, those are set.
Yeah, so I think it's set, but I have never thought to put pans and cutting boards and that big, bulky, different shaped stuff above the fridge, and I've always struggled with what to put above the fridge. So I think this is what we need to do. We need to do something like this.
We currently have just like some miscellaneous baskets, some like Christmas stuff up there. Yeah.
And some dishes that hardly ever get used.
Yeah.
And it's always a pain to get up there and try to find something.
It's the cabinet time forgot.
But if you think about it, a lot of these things we've got stored in lower cupboards. They're hard to get out. They're bulky. This would just, put them above the fridge and slide them in and out.
Yeah.
It's a good
Get more
idea.
use out of that stepping stool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Fantastic. Next video.
Thanks, everyone.